In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give feedback on Walmart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the feedback option on the website, how to rate your experience, and how to share helpful comments that make a difference. Start by opening your web browser and going to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully. From here, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. This area is called the footer, and it's where Walmart places useful links. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to scroll a bit more than on a computer, but the link you need will still be at the very bottom. Look for the link that says Give Feedback and click it. This opens Walmart's feedback form. You should see a message emphasizing that your feedback helps improve the website. That's your cue that you're in the right place and that they're looking for your thoughts about the online experience, not necessarily in-store visits. You'll be asked to choose a star rating. 1 star indicates a very poor experience, and 5 stars means excellent. Pick the number that best reflects your time on the site. Try to think about the essentials. How easy it was to find products, whether pages loaded quickly, if the cart or checkout worked smoothly, and how clear the information was. Next, you can write a short message explaining why you chose that rating. This is the most valuable part. Be specific and constructive. For example, you might say, "My experience was mostly positive," and then add a detail or two like fast search results or a hiccup with filtering. If something didn't work, describe what happened and where it happened on the site. Keeping your feedback clear and respectful helps the team understand and fix issues faster. Avoid including personal or sensitive information. Account details, addresses, or order numbers aren't needed for general feedback. When your message feels complete, click Share with Walmart to submit it. You may see a brief confirmation that your feedback was received. That's it. Your thoughts are on their way to the team that maintains the website. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Write while the experience is fresh so details are accurate. Focus on what would have improved the visit for you, and keep your note short but meaningful. If you need help with a specific order or account issue, use Walmart's help or support options instead of the feedback form, since those channels can assist directly. Thanks for following along, and great job contributing helpful feedback to improve the Walmart website.